Hello, new parents in town. Welcome back to our channel. We have something interesting and helpful for you in today's video. Baby food makers come in a variety of budgets and styles with basic designs and luxurious features like self-cleaning. It can be difficult to choose the best model for your family. Thus, to choose the top baby food makers, we look to our experience, research, and professional reviews. We considered factors including ratings, functionality, capacity, ease of use, and nutrient retention. So let's start. DUEDE. You can use this DUEDE baby food maker as a reheater, juicer, blender, steamer, and more. The ability to steam food allows for cooking without sacrificing flavor. Food might lose very little nutritional value when it is raised above the water to steam. And to control consistency and texture of the puree, use leftover water as puree stock during blending process. First, you can fill the water tank with water. In the cooking cup, add the appropriate ingredients next. Finally, twist the button and press to begin. Cooking nutritious meals for your child at home has never been easier or more simple. Using a single cooking cycle, this device can prepare multiple cups of fresh baby food for weekly meal preps, thanks to its equipped 600 ml stirring cup and 350 ml steaming basket. After cooking, you can also initiate the self-cleaning process by adding water and a drop of detergent to the cooking cup and using the stirring function. You can remove the entire cooking cup and wash it in water. Additionally, the machine cannot operate until all parts are securely locked in place for increased safety. When there is no more water in the water tank, the water shortage alert will sound. MOMYEASY. This baby food processor provides you with intelligent automatic operation and comes with an intelligent touch control panel. To use the food maker, simply press the automated button and set the timing time. The food can be automatically cooked and blended for you. You have the option to manually blend, stop, or start the stirring function whenever you're not happy with the outcomes of the automatic mixing. You could also feel secure when preparing meals for your infant because its stirring cup is constructed of special lead-free Triton material that has passed ETL safety testing and contains no BPA. BUAIAHUG. All of your baby's favorite meals can be cooked, blended, steamed, or blended in the multifunctional baby food maker. Its one-stop design makes preparing baby food hassle-free, allowing you to swiftly and simply prepare wholesome meals for your child. It's a single machine with 10 distinct functions to meet all your demands for preparing baby food: steaming, stirring, disinfecting, keeping warm, fruit paste, meat paste, fish paste, rice paste, and an extra pulse mode. It's easy and convenient to adjust the stirring frequency to suit your demands. Additionally, it is designed to meet the unique tastes and dietary requirements of your infant by having the capacity to blend, steam, and puree food all in one machine. Making nutritious meals for your infant is simple with this Triton mixing cup, which is free of lead and BPA. And with its many settings, you can make a range of nutritious meals for your baby, and the cup is simple to clean and assemble. Bear. Using this Bear baby food blender can help you save money and time while starting your baby on the right track with homemade baby food. Any item, including fruits, vegetables, and meat, can be blended with its unique 4-blade design. Also, it has a 400 ml mixing bowl and 4 premium precision blades that can cook baby food quickly. 2875 RPM to be exact. Every busy mom can save a ton of time with its self-clean feature. All you have to do is add clean water and the machine takes care of the rest. It is a single appliance that combines a steamer and blender, eliminating the need for a plastic basket. Moving ingredients and different equipment is no longer necessary. The special steaming cycle preserves vitamins, minerals, and flavors so that your child eats wholesome, delicious homemade food. It features a built-in menu that you can set to cook meat, fish, vegetables, or fruit for your child. Thus, you only need to select one function. The baby food steamer and blender will take care of the rest, eliminating time-consuming and unnecessary processes. HEYVALUE. This baby food maker is made of high borosilicate glass and stainless steel, which guarantees ideal portion control and freezer-friendly storage. With only a single button push, this HEYVALUE baby food making machine's 6 razor-sharp 304 stainless steel blades and strong motor combine to produce smooth, uniformly blended baby purees. Also, busy moms will find cleaning a breeze because to its user-friendly design. The mixing bowl lid of this dishwasher-safe infant food processor entirely isolates the mixing bowl from the machine body, promoting clean, healthful meal preparation. Additionally, it includes baby food recipes, a freezer tray, 2 silicone spoons, 1 silicone spatula, and 6 baby food containers, saving you from having to purchase them separately. BEABA Babycook Solo. Our list is completed with the BEABA Babycook Solo Baby Food Maker Processor. With a single button press, this 4-in-1 food processor can steam, puree, defrost, and reheat food. Even for parents who are not tech-savvy, it is easy to use. By using raised steam baskets, the 20-minute steam cooking feature preserves taste and nutrients. Puree in a big bowl until desired consistency is reached, then refrigerate to use for weekly meal prep. In addition, the BEABA Babycook Solo is simple to use to blend smoothies and juices for the whole family. It will not turn on until all parts are securely fastened, and it beeps to indicate that the cooking is finished. It costs about $160 and is constructed of BPA, lead, and phthalate-free Triton plastic. Despite this, it comes in a range of colors that match decor and has a number of noteworthy features that are difficult to overlook.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.